The Cuero 18-inch leather briefcase is a testament to exquisite craftsmanship, made from the highest quality full-grain leather and lined with durable canvas, promising both luxury and resilience. With dimensions of 18 inches by 13 inches by 5 inches, this briefcase provides efficient organization, featuring a large laptop compartment, multiple sections, and pockets to accommodate all your office essentials. This versatile leather bag serves multiple purposes, transforming from a laptop messenger bag to a crossbody satchel, making it an ideal choice for both men and women who need ample storage for various items. Designed with a rustic vintage charm, the briefcase offers convenience with its detachable shoulder strap and sturdy top handles, allowing for comfortable carrying options. As a thoughtful gift, this handcrafted leather bag is perfect for special occasions, appealing to professionals, students, and anyone who appreciates artistic, high-quality craftsmanship. To maintain its elegance, the leather requires gentle cleaning and occasional conditioning, ensuring it retains its natural sheen and longevity.